tutorial how to get it. First, go to Avatar and search Blood Bay. And you saw the hair and type the hair. Blonde hair. Blonde Bay? No. Blonde. Search blonde. Blonde hair. Not Blonde Bay. Not Blonde Bay. It's blonde hair. Blonde hair. Yes. So, look at so many blonde hair. And search. Yes. So wait. And scroll down and search